What are the updates that are worth doing before I list my home? This is the top question I get asked when my clients want to list their home in the foreseeable future. They all want to know what's actually going to boost its value, what's worth their time and money. Today, I'm sharing 6 smart upgrades that might actually increase your home's value, but it will for sure make it stand out from the rest when you're going to sell. Also, I've included a few DIY-friendly ones that make a massive difference. So if you want to know how to make your home stand out without breaking the bank, definitely stay tuned. I'm Courtney Ruff, your Fraser Valley and South Delta expert. Thanks for watching. Number 1, the Heatwave Hero, HVAC and mini splits or heat pumps. First on the list is something that has shifted from a luxury to a requirement in BC. With the heat waves we're seeing every summer, this is often the first thing buyers ask about. If your home is sitting at a crisp 18 degrees while the neighbor's house is sweltering, you have an immediate advantage. This is a lifestyle upgrade for you now and a massive selling feature later on. So don't wait on adding it. Enjoy those hot summer days inside your home and add that AC. Number 2, the Facelift kitchen. Clients often think they need a full gut job. You do not. Focus on the facelift aspect. So I'm talking about modern cabinet hardware. Swap out that old stuff, put a nice modern matte black or fresh brass hardware. Maybe do something with the backsplash, and definitely update that 90s faucet. You could update the lighting in there and make an old kitchen feel brand new for a fraction of the cost. Buyers love a kitchen that looks move-in ready. These are the high visibility items that make a kitchen feel new without the $50,000 price tag. Now, don't get me wrong, if refacing or repainting your cabinets is in the budget, that will also make a huge difference. The kitchen is generally the crown jewel of a home, so putting some extra focus there is highly encouraged. Number 3, the eraser effect. Paint and patchwork. Number 3 is one of my favorites because it's so simple. Fresh paint, patchwork. Hire it out or do it yourself. Let's be real, dinged up baseboards, scuffs on the hallway walls, and crayon marks from the kids are not cute to a buyer. A solid patch job, a fresh coat of light, neutral paint, acts like an eraser for the age of the home. It makes everything feel crisp, clean, well-maintained. But let's take it a step further. Recaulk and regrout. If your bathtub caulking is yellowing or turning black, or the kitchen grout is stained, it makes the whole room look dirty and neglected. Fresh white caulking in the bathroom, along the tub or shower, and fresh grout make those areas look brand new. Trust me. It is a big turnoff when you walk into a bathroom and it looks like there's mold all the way around the tub. Don't forget to recaulk or regrout. Number 4, the first 10 seconds. The curb appeal. Don't forget the outside. A power washed driveway, a freshly painted front door, a nice fresh doormat, and some simple landscaping set the stage. If the outside looks neglected, buyers assume the inside is as well. Win them over before they ever turn the key. Now, oftentimes we encourage sellers to get ahead of the spring market and list earlier. However, if you have the botanical gardens in your front and backyard and your landscaping is truly the showstopper, maybe wait until late spring when that's all in bloom, because let's face it, everything just looks miserable and ugly and gray when it's the dead of winter and nothing is in bloom. It just ends up looking messy and underappreciated. Number 5, flooring continuity. Avoid that patchwork floor look. Running one consistent flooring, like a luxury vinyl plank, through the main living areas makes your home feel significantly larger and more high-end. It pulls the whole design together. The amount of times I've gone through homes with my clients and there's 5 different flooring in all the rooms, then the kitchen, the living room, it just looks like things were slapped together and updated at random times and nothing is cohesive. So one flooring throughout looks amazing. And I love luxury vinyl because it's way more durable and it mimics hardwood floors pretty damn good. You'd be surprised what's out there now. Number 6, smart home essentials. Finally, add a touch of tech. A smart thermostat, a video doorbell, or smart locks. These are just one of many small investments that tell a buyer this is a modern 21st century home. It adds that turnkey feel that people pay a premium for. Very simple stuff, and if your kid forgets their key and they come home, they can just type a code in the keypad and you can get inside. The what to avoid scenario. Now, a quick warning on what to avoid. Over customization. I know you might love that bright teal accent wall, or purple kitchen, or the specialized hobby room, but buyers struggle with imagination. Keep your upgrades neutral so they can see themselves living there, not you. Also avoid the invisible upgrades like expensive water filtration systems, unless they are standard for your area. You just rarely get that money back in the sale price. Prioritize what is worth doing in your home and what is worth leaving. And if you want my take, I'm happy to give that to you. Feel free to reach out anytime. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more real estate tips. I will see you in the next one.